Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? Maybe even a little bit of loneliness? It's a vast, seemingly infinite expanse. We often think of planets neatly orbiting their stars, like our own Earth. But what if a planet had no star to call home? What if it was doomed to wander the cold, dark void of interstellar space forever? Today, we re-talking about one of the most fascinating and melancholic objects ever discovered. The loneliest planet in the universe. This isn't science fiction. These cosmic wonders are real, and they're called rogue planets. They're worlds that have been ejected from their home solar systems, either through chaotic gravitational interactions during the system's formation or maybe even a close encounter with another star. Imagine a cosmic game of billiards where a planet is knocked right off the table. Once they're flung out, they travel alone, without the warmth or light of a parent star. So, how do we even find something like this? A planet that doesn't shine? It's incredibly difficult. Traditional planet hunting methods, like looking for the dimming of a star as a planet passes in front of it, don't work here. There is no star to dim. Instead, astronomers have to get creative. They use a clever technique called gravitational. Here's how it works, and it's straight out of Einstein's playbook. His theory of general relativity tells us that massive objects warp the fabric of space. So, when a rogue planet drifts in front of a distant star from our point of view, its gravity acts like a lens. It bends and magnifies the light from the background star, causing it to briefly brighten. It's a fleeting, 1 in a million alignment. But our powerful telescopes can catch it. By analyzing how the star's light brightens and fades, scientists can calculate the mass of the lensing object, confirming whether it's a planet, a star, or something else. Using this method, astronomers found a particularly special candidate, a world named PSO J318.5-22. Discovered in 2013, this object is located about 80 light-years from Earth. What makes it so extraordinary is its size and age. It has a mass only about 6 times that of Jupiter, firmly placing it in the planetary category. And it's young, cosmically speaking, only about 12 million years old. It's essentially a planetary infant, cast out into the wilderness of space. PSO J318.5-22 is a gas giant, likely similar in composition to Jupiter, but without a star. Its fate is very different. It doesn't receive any external heat. All it has is its own residual heat from its formation. So, while it's still glowing faintly in infrared light, it is destined to cool down over billions of years, eventually becoming a frozen, dark sphere, silently drifting through the galaxy. Can you imagine what it would be like on a moon orbiting this rogue planet? The sky would be pitch black, except for the breathtaking, unobscured river of the Milky Way. There would be no sun, no dawn, no dusk, just a permanent, stardusted night. The only light source nearby would be the faint, deep red glow of the gas giant itself, a dim, eternal ember in the sky. It's a hauntingly beautiful and incredibly lonely image. The discovery of PSO J318.5-22 raises a huge question. How common are these lonely worlds? Some models suggest there could be billions, or even trillions, of rogue planets in our galaxy alone. They might actually outnumber the stars. Think about that for a second. For every point of light you see in the night sky, there could be hundreds or thousands of dark, wandering worlds we can't see. Our galaxy could be teeming with these cosmic orphans. This has some mind-bending implications. Could life exist on a rogue planet? It seems unlikely without a star's energy. However, some scientists have proposed that a large rogue planet with a thick atmosphere could trap enough internal heat to maintain liquid water on the surface of one of its moons. If a moon has strong tidal forces from its parent rogue planet, that could generate geothermal energy, creating volcanic vents on its ocean floor, similar to those here on Earth where life thrives. It's a long shot, a very long shot. But the universe is a strange and surprising place. These lonely planets are more than just celestial curiosities. They are crucial puzzle pieces in our understanding of how solar systems form and evolve. The fact that planets can be ejected so easily tells us that the early lives of solar systems are often violent and chaotic. Studying these runaways helps us refine our models of planetary formation and gives us a more complete picture of our own cosmic neighborhood as history. Every new discovery, like that of PSO J318.5-22, pushes the boundaries of our knowledge. It reminds us that the universe is filled with objects, far stranger and more wonderful than we could have ever imagined. From planets that rain glass sideways to worlds orbiting 2 suns, and now 2 planets that have no sun at all. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember the unseen wanderers, the silent, lonely planets drifting through the dark. They are a testament to the dynamic and sometimes brutal nature of the cosmos, but also to its endless capacity for surprise. Each one is a story of a lost home, a journey into the infinite dark, and who knows what secrets they still hold, waiting for us to find them. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey to the loneliest corners of the universe. If you found this as fascinating as I do, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the cosmos. Let me know in the comments what you think about rogue planets. Could they harbor life? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep looking up.